The Committee on Tribal Unity (COTU) has accused Chief Minister and Biren Singh of actively attempting to disrupt Christmas festivities among Christian minorities by eliciting animosity in an already volatile situation. The committee's allegations come in response to the government order issued by the Home Department on December 21, 2023, mandating security provisions between Imphal to Mau and unilaterally declaring free passes within Kuki-Jo areas. COTU argues that such measures depict the Kuki-Jo communities in an unfairly negative light. In a press notification dated December 22, 2023, the committee opposed the government order, viewing it as a deliberate attempt to normalize the current situation and cover up an elite's 8-month-long sinister design of genocide. COTU asserts that the government order was unnecessary as the passage of regular movement was never hindered by the Kuki-Jo communities. The committee further claims that there has been no reciprocation in the supply of essential commodities from the valley to date. It is pertinent to mention that the Chief Minister is hell-bent on disrupting Christmas festivity among Christian minorities, adding fuel to an already volatile situation, says the Committee on Tribal Unity. The committee firmly rejects what it describes as a prescriptive policy aimed at appeasing one community over the other, deeming it unacceptable to the Kuki-Jo. As a response, COTU declares its intention to intensify the scrutiny of vehicular movement along the Imphal-Kangpokpi-Mau route.